Climbing a ladder in the middle of a thunderstorm just to swap out a dead battery is the exact moment you realize your home security has failed its most basic job. A security system is supposed to provide peace of mind, not a recurring weekend chore that requires a height safety harness and a sense of frustration. The promise of a camera that feeds itself with nothing but sunlight sounds like a dream, but usually these gadgets are more marketing hype than actual substance. I took this solar-powered unit out to my property to see if it could actually handle the harsh reality of the outdoors without constant babysitting. Right away, the physical construction caught my attention. It has a heavy, solid weight to it that you simply do not find in those flimsy, generic models that look like they were made in a toy factory. The plastic feels thick and durable. Every seam is sealed tight against the elements to keep moisture out. If a camera cannot survive a blistering summer heat wave or a week of relentless autumn rain, it is essentially an expensive paperweight. The mount is particularly impressive because it is heavy duty and stays put. Cheap mounts tend to vibrate or sag when the wind picks up. That movement triggers constant, annoying false alarms on your phone every time a breeze passes through the trees. This one stays planted and keeps its eyes on the prize. Getting the system online was surprisingly fast and avoided the usual technical headaches. Most people dread the pairing process because it usually involves endless loading screens and connection errors. This app synced up almost instantly over my home network without any drama or repeated failures. However, you have to be smart about where you put it. The solar component requires actual thought and a bit of planning. You cannot just slap the panel anywhere and expect it to work like magic. If you put it under a thick tree canopy or in a deep shadow, the battery will drain faster than the panel can recover the charge. Placement is a strategic decision rather than an afterthought. You have to find that sweet spot where the sun hits the panel for at least a few hours every single day. When you get that right, the battery life is incredibly stable and reliable. The picture quality is another pleasant surprise that defies the budget-friendly price point. It is sharp and clean. You get clear views of faces and specific details that actually matter in a real security situation. The night vision holds its own as well. It does not turn the yard into a blurry mess of gray shadows where you cannot tell a raccoon from a person. You can actually see what is happening in the dark with surprising clarity. Now, it is important to be realistic about what this is. It is not a professional-grade rig with high-end glass optics meant for a high-security bank vault. If you have a massive estate with weak wireless signals, you might run into connectivity issues. The unit relies heavily on a strong Wi-Fi connection to send those instant alerts to your phone. If your signal is faint by the time it reaches your fence line, you might experience some lag. But for a standard suburban home, it hits a very high mark for reliability and ease of use. It solves the biggest frustration with wireless cameras, which is the constant maintenance. You get a system that looks out for your home while taking care of itself. It is a solid choice for anyone who wants functional security without a complicated installation or a monthly ladder climbing schedule. It is about getting the job done efficiently and without the unnecessary drama of failing hardware.